There is a question that has troubled humanity for millennia. Where are we in this vast universe? Is the Earth the center of everything? Or is there somewhere else in the universe that is truly the center of the universe? The answer will astonish you more than you can imagine. Today, we will explore the greatest secret of the universe, a truth that will completely change the way you perceive your own place in this infinite space: the Hubble revolution. It all began in the 1920s when astronomer Edwin Hubble made two discoveries that shook the scientific world. First, he discovered that there are galaxies far out there, not just our own Milky Way, but even more shocking was that all those galaxies are moving away from us. They are receding at an incredible speed. This discovery shattered the centuries-old notion of a static universe. Einstein and the dynamic universe. Fortunately, Albert Einstein already had an explanation at hand. His theory of general relativity predicted that the universe must be dynamic, either expanding or contracting. This was completely contrary to the prevailing belief at the time. Four brilliant scientists later developed the Friedmann-Lemaitre-Robertson-Walker solution, laying the foundation for modern cosmology and reinforcing the idea of an expanding universe. Big Bang, the origin of everything. Evidence shows that all matter in the universe was once compressed into an extremely small, extremely dense point called a singularity. Then bang! The Big Bang happened, giving birth to the universe. So where did that explosion occur? It must be the center of the universe, right? The answer will surprise you. The Big Bang did not happen in any one place. It happened everywhere at the same time. The universe has no boundaries. Think about this. By definition, the universe is everything that exists. So how can it have an edge? An edge is something that separates this from that. But if the universe is already everything, then there is no that to separate from. The universe can be infinite, and finding the center of something infinite is impossible. Or if it is finite, then it must curve back on itself, like the surface of a sphere. A lesson from the Earth. To understand better, let's look at our Earth. You can easily point out the center of the Earth. That is the hot, molten core deep inside. But try to point out the center of the Earth's surface. Is it the intersection of the 0 longitude and 0 latitude? Or the North Pole? The South Pole? Or maybe your home? The fact is, on the surface, every point can be considered the center. The limit of vision. Our universe is about 13.77 billion years old, but we can only see a small part of it, within a range of about 45 billion light-years. Why is that? Because the universe is expanding faster than the speed of light. Most of the universe is hidden from our sight, like only seeing what is in the lighted area of a torch in a vast forest. Central illusion. From our perspective, all galaxies are moving away from the Milky Way. This makes us feel like we are at the center of the universe. But here is the wonder. If you stand in any other galaxy, you will see exactly the same thing. All other galaxies are moving away from you. Every point in the universe has the right to claim it is the center, the ultimate truth. So what is the truth? The universe both does not have a center and has a center everywhere. Each of us, each star, each galaxy, all are at the center of their own observable universe. There is no special location, no preferred center. In this expanding universe, every position is equal, every point is the center. Our place in the universe. Perhaps this is the most humble lesson that science offers. We are not the center of the universe, but we are not insignificant either. We are part of a great universe where every position is special in its own way. The search for the center of the universe is essentially a journey to explore the very nature of reality, and it reveals a universe more wondrous than anything we have ever imagined. Thank you for accompanying us on the journey to explore one of the greatest mysteries of the universe. If the video has given you new insights, please give me a like and subscribe to support the channel. Share in the comments. How do you feel knowing that we are both the center and not the center of the universe? See you in the next space exploration journeys.